you're a Muslim and you wish to, you can write Allah in the comments to share your blessings. And don't say like, share, or subscribe. See you in the next shot.